today I'm gonna do something about this. I've had it growing in my kitchen and I've never planted an onion. I've never planted an onion before. And according to other YouTubers, I'm to slice it and find out where the plant is. So let's try it. I think you're supposed to cut a quarter off and only go gently so you don't damage the plant. We'll just try to do this layer by layer. I think it's been growing unintentionally. I had no idea it was growing. I don't know if I should go any further. See how this is. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more. Got some roots on that one. And I think there is, you see how there it kind of breaks apart. See if I can. Let's see, we can do this. Ooh, I think I've got it. Like that. So I'm gonna break these two apart. There it goes. Let's see, I think there's a piece there we can take off. And looks like there's another piece. We can take this piece off. See if we can do it this way. And I might have ruined that one. I might have ruined it. We'll see. I'm gonna leave this one intact, just like that. I won't. Here we go. Well, I had no idea that I was gonna break that into 4 pieces. Okay, now I'm gonna get my soil ready and see what we can do about this. Look at all this. Look at all this. I'm probably going to use that for compost. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I've already filled my 5-gallon Smart Pot with organic potting soil mix. This is a Kellogg's brand and I purchased this one at Costco. I'm a big fan of Costco. So I'm going to go ahead and moisten it. I also have some Vermicera worm castings. I'm going to use about a handful of this. I also have, I just use this bag, reusable bag, but I have some straw here that I'm going to use for mulch. Just want to get it just moist. A lot of people don't like that word. So how about we just change it to the crumbly brownie mix consistency that everyone seems to like or prefer. Alright, so just like this, and it's a little sticky but still crumbly, as you can tell. This is nice and pretty, right? So I'm just gonna grab about a handful. This is a trial, so if it does well, then I'll add some more. I'm just gonna sprinkle some and mix it. Leave that on the top layer because when I water it, those nutrients are gonna seep out. So, alright. Here are my onions. And if you're doing square foot planting, you can put up to 9 onions in a square foot. I don't have 9 onions. I don't have seeds. I was not planning on planting onions right now. I'm gonna test it out. Just making a hole with my finger. I think I waited just a little bit too long. They're a little bit too droopy. I think I got onions. Let's rinse my hands and I'm going to show you. Okay, that's what they look like. See how they're just a little bit droopy, and I noticed that. I also noticed this. I wanted to make sure that I can get it in the ground soon. So all I'm going to do now is just top it off. That's it. Now hope for the best. Well, thanks for joining me. This is my very first onion. Apparently it's going to be 4. We shall see. I'm not quite sure about, I think, this one, since I might have cut the root piece off. However, stay tuned. I will be posting updates. And I've got other videos posted about all the other new stuff that I have as well. Everything is grown vertically except for a garden bed that I have on the side of my house. And I also have a high density orchard that I'm testing. All of this is all this year. Never done this before. I've only been doing it for a few months. So I'm excited to see what I come up with. All the things that I'm testing and trying out, experimenting. So if you want to stick around, you'll see updates for all of it. Thanks for watching.